extra slices for just $9.99. Oh!
Think you're clever? Think you're cool? You ain't the only one with power, little geek.
Whoa, now that's impressive.
Chance White.
I am out of ammo.
Ooh, a gun.
Can I touch much?
Do you two have an end?
Are we gonna end up in China? Ooh, nasty slide. Crap, this sucks. You're gonna want to have a doctor take a look at that. What do you think? Sharp, right? You want mustard with that? Come on, baby. We can still work this out.
You disgust me!